Hey, friends, welcome back. It's fall and we all just want to be cozy. But what is cozy anyway? Is it a vibe, a mood, a memory, all three? Today, we're diving into all things fall. And I'm not talking about pumpkins or piles of leaves, but the feeling of fall, the energy. It's a time of year where it's getting darker earlier and we feel that shift of crispness in the air every morning. The light gets golden earlier in the evening, and everything, including our homes, are starting to whisper to us, slow down. This isn't about decorating for fall. It's really about designing the mood and energy of fall in your home. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with color. We're surrounded by fall tones. You've probably already swapped out your wardrobe. I know I have. Think burgundies and rusts and olives and deep browns and even soft oranges. These are all colors we turn to during this time of year, but they're not just seasonal. They really are grounding. They mimic all of the nature changes we see outside, but they also subconsciously signal to us we need to rest and reflect. One thing I used to love to do as a kid was jump in leaves. It was about the only thing that made me excited to go out and rake them all up in the yard. In color theory, these colors have lower wavelengths, and this signals to our brains it's time to be calm and stable. So rust really evokes warmth and nostalgia, and olive has feelings that make us feel restored and close to nature. And deep browns really do signal comfort as well as stability. So when you layer these tones in your home, whether it's through textiles, art, or even your dishware, remember you're not just decorating, you're creating those emotional cues of fall. And these tones are beautiful and they really do transition easily into winter. Rust and burgundy pair beautifully with champagne, which are really traditional holiday colors. And olive and creamy off whites give this quiet comfort and evolution and richness to your winter season. Think woodsy Christmas meets winter minimalism. So as you look around your home this fall, if it's not quite feeling like it's there, take a look and see how you can infuse some of these tones throughout your space. Next, I want to talk about textures. Texture is where cozy lives and where our nervous system finds peace. It's all the things we want to touch. Our brains are wired to respond to tactile cues. So soft layered textures make us feel safe. They tell our body, you can relax. And with it getting darker earlier, we all feel the need to slow down and relax. So think about it. Do you have a favorite pillow you reach for instinctively or a velvet throw you touch every time you see it? I know for me, a chunky knit blanket layered in my bedding makes me want to stay in bed just 10 minutes longer. Even visual textures like a wood cutting board leaned up against your kitchen backsplash or woven baskets you keep next to your sofa with all of your fall pillows and throws add this depth and warmth to a space. So try mixing materials. Think linen and velvet, ceramic and wood. You don't want to feel any pressure to match everything in your space. You want to layer different textures. That's what actually makes your space feel lived in this fall. I know for me, one thing I grab for this time of year are pillows. I have this deep purple velvet pillow I pull out every year and keep on a chase in our family room that's perfect for leaning back into. When I say these pillows make you want to sit back on them, they make you want to sit back on them. So it really allows you to nest on the chase and feel cozy, whether you're reading a book or watching TV. And even some of the accent pillows I have, like this one, it's a more traditional green fall. It kind of is that sagey olive tone. And it's velvet, so it's soft to the touch. And I keep it on the sofa in the living room. But it has this additional stitching. So it has this texture to it. So you want to touch it because it's soft, but you also want to touch it because of how tactile it is. For you, if you look around, you can find pillows everywhere. But if you don't want to bring a bunch of new pillows into your home this fall, one easy way to address this is just getting pillow covers. They come in all types of textures like knits and velvets and colors across the fall spectrum. So don't hesitate to grab a new pillow cover this fall to add in some of this texture. We can't talk about fall without talking about scent. We all love a good fall scent. Scent is our emotional architecture. It's the most powerful sense we have that's tied to our memories. So, unlike sight and sound, it bypasses logic and goes straight to our limbic system. That's the part of our brain that processes emotions and memories. It's also why a whiff of cinnamon can take you back to your grandmother's kitchen, or why the smell of cedarwood makes you feel like you're in the mountains, in a cabin, even though you might be in an apartment in the middle of the city. We all know that one of the quickest ways to infuse scent is candles, but you could also use things like reed diffusers, simmer pots, or even stovetop potpourri during the fall. They're all really tiny little investments that can have huge emotional returns to create fall memories for you and your family. You can place them intentionally throughout your house, like the entryway for first impressions for guests, or your kitchen for that added warmth. Keep in mind, you're not just scenting the space, you're really curating the emotional experience for the fall and all those memories you're going to create. I recently picked up this really pretty reed diffuser. It's in this minimal, elegant, simple bottle, but it has these larger reed sticks. So it really absorbs quite a bit of aroma. And then it has these added natural branches that are just really small, but really make you think about fall. And the texture and aesthetic mixed with the smell in the entryway really does make you think fall as soon as you walk in the house. And what is fall without a good candle? Now, some people go straight for maybe pumpkin or acorn or even an apple shaped candle, but I keep this olive green candle in my living room and light it frequently throughout the fall. It has a wonderful smell and it's the perfect fall color for any space. And then it has this additional texture on the glass. So once again, going back to texture, it's another element of fall you can add that also has texture to it. And here's a pro tip. Focus on transitional scents. Think clove, cedar, vanilla, even orange peel. These all feel like fall, but could easily carry you into winter without skipping a beat. Now we have to discuss the unsung hero of cozy during the fall, lighting. The reason why lighting is so important is because it not only deals with brightness in your home, given that it's getting darker earlier, it brings warmth into your home. We all know overhead lights can feel a bit sterile at times. That's why during the fall, you want to layer your lighting. Table lamps, sconces, candles, they all create intimacy and draw people in, which always makes us feel at home and cozy. You want to focus on warm tone bulbs wherever you have lighting. So 2700 Kelvin because it mimics the sunlight. And that signals to our brains that it's time to wind down. It's like golden hour in your home. So bring in layered lighting that invites fall inside. Stay away from any harsh lighting during this time of year. By layering your lighting, you really are inviting fall inside. And one thing you have to remember is dimmer switches. They're magical. You can use them to soften the mood in any space. And don't forget about how you place lights. Lights should be placed at eye level to create visual comfort. No one wants to be staring at a bright light when they're trying to wind down during the fall season. You can use table lamps, big or small, sconces, even battery-powered candles if you don't want to light real candles, to create pockets of warmth throughout your home. I know for me, I recently picked up this battery-operated little desk lamp, and with this smoked glass cover and the brass bottom, it really does evoke warmth when it's turned on. And it even comes with a timer. So this little bit of ambiance can be placed on like your desk or even on your kitchen counter once the lights are already down low. I also have one of my favorite tabletop lamps, and this one can't be beat. It mimics a leopard print, but this warm brown glass, when it's lit up, it is the most inviting light in the house on any given table. And I have to admit, it's one of my favorite pieces. So if you come across something like this, pick it up. You'll use it year after year. And if you don't have anything like this, just focus on getting some warm light bulbs to create that warmth of the fall season in your home. The last thing I want to mention for how to bring that cozy fall mood into your home is probably a little unexpected and one you might not hear. It's often overlooked, but you could just swap your window treatments. That's right, your curtains. I know it seems like a daunting task, but honestly, if you swap out your curtains for richer textures like velvet or tweed or even a thick cotton, and you choose that and balance it with some of these richer fall tones, it instantly changes the mood in a room. Not to mention, they insulate the windows and soften acoustics. So when you have more people at home and it's colder, it adds and really creates a nesting vibe in your space. It really is one of the easiest ways to shift the energy in your space from like breezy, fun summer to cozy, settled in fall. I know I've done it throughout my downstairs. I hope you found some of these tips helpful and maybe might have you brainstorming some fall ideas of your own of how to bring the energy inside for this season. Look, I used to buy so much seasonal decor. I mean, every season we had to change the bedding and pillows and throws and decor, and it just got to be so much. Over time, I realized the storage restrictions, budget, and just I didn't have the time to manage all of it. I didn't want to because what really mattered was the simplicity of it all. I didn't want more stuff. I just wanted more of that fall feeling. So now I really just am more intentional and I focus on elements that evoke the season that really are tied to the things I mentioned in this video. Because I and you both know, fall really is about the feeling more than about the season. And so hopefully with a few of these types of intentional changes, you can bring that feeling into your home. If any of this resonated with you, we'd love to hear how you're creating cozy vibes in your space this fall. Drop a comment below and let us know. Or if you're looking for even more ways to easily bring fall inside, you can check out our most recent blog. I really appreciate you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Until the next video, bye.